guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. If you're new, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment after watching this video. I'm doing an unboxing on, I finally got my last motor mount, and this is OEM because this is actually from, I bought it online of course, and it's from Toyota of Richmond. Toyota of Richmond, guys. I just got it today. How much I bought it for like I think like 167 I bought it for online. And for me to get it online, of course, you have to put in the part number of the product from Toyota. Any, you know, even though you put in your what you call it, the year, model, the year, make and model of the vehicle, to be certified that it's the correct fit and everything, you have to put in that part number. And I searched that part number on Google, and it pulled up different websites for Toyota, and I just clicked on it and I go from there. I just got it. I purchased it like what, like last week. Last week I got it. But anyways, I don't want to keep talking to you guys. Let's get into it. I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm gonna have to flip my camera around. And of course, I am in the bathroom. Yeah, because this is like the quietest place. Let's go. All right, guys. So my camera is flipped, and I'm gonna do my best to, like, you feel me, do what I gotta do. Bust this open. It was shipped by USPS, which I'm surprised. I thought that they would have sent it through, well, you do have options, because if you wanted to come quicker and faster, of course there would have been like more money. It would have been like, they would have charged way more money. So you feel me, they would have charged a lot more money. So end up paying 167. Yep. End up paying 167, guys. And this is, of course, this is OEM. Some strong tape. This would have been way better, way faster, way easier if I had my tripod with me. But guys, here with your boy. I hate doing sloppy videos, I'm not gonna lie. I hate doing sloppy videos, but hey, it is what it is, right? So, drop that box on the floor. This right here seems like some cheaper tape. I was looking for like the part number on here, which I think, is this it? I think this is the part number up there. So this is basically for my Toyota Avalon, 2008 Toyota Avalon. And I think it works for from the 2005 all the way to the 2012 model. I don't know about the newer ones, but I think this is the part number up here. Yeah. But yeah, oops, still gonna get messed up regardless. Oh yeah, and as you can see, the box, it's a Lexus genuine part, so you know this is official. You guys know that this is official. So, trying to split this down. Easy to open. The struggle is real. You try to hold the camera and, feel me, trying to get the job done. Yep, this is it, guys. This is it. Oh yeah, I'm trying to like take it out. I think right there's like hooked right there, that part of the box. But this is the one that goes up in the front, the hydraulic the hydraulic mount, guys, that goes in the front of the vehicle. The bottom front of the car. So the Avalon, that's why the Avalon had that smooth ride, you know, no vibration, no shakes. Just like the Lexus ES350, you know, you get that Lexus feel, you know, that luxury, you know, yeah. Let me break that open. All right, guys, sorry that I had to cut, you know, cut certain part, you know, because I'm doing everything with one hand, basically. So right there have the Denso in Japan. You know it's certified when they say that. 100% genuine. You feel me? And this is how it looks. This one sit in the front at the bottom, holding up the engine. The front bottom. So yeah. Amazing. Can't wait to get it installed. I don't know how much they're gonna charge the vacuum lines. Vacuum line. Everything new. Of course. Can't wait to get it installed, guys. And this is like the most expensive one. Even though I got away. What I meant by expensive one is if you go to the dealership, this right here is basically going to run you, hold on. All right, as I was saying, going to the dealership, this is going to run you like about 300 and something. It's like 300 something, 300 and change. You feel me, for just this one part. So that's why I said it's good to shop around and just type in the part number online on Google, and it'll take you, it's gonna come up with different websites and different sites, of course, and click on the best one that suits your need. And at the same time, it's gonna have to be the genuine one, especially when you put in the part number. And also you're going to need to put in your make, model, and the year. And the website is going to say Toyota on there. It's going to say some Toyota probably you never heard of the name, but it's a genuine site. And it's going to say it, you know, it's going to say it. But yeah, guys, vacuum line, hydraulic mount in the front, Denso. I'm happy, I'm excited, I can't wait to get it installed. Like the other ones that I got is Eisen, which it was a steal for me to get all of those. I can't even remember how much I got those for, but the price was reasonable because I got the one at the top, the one for the transmission side, and the one for the bottom passenger side that hold up the engine, and the T-bone mount at the top, of course. So this is the one that I was waiting for, and I can't wait to get it installed. I'm excited, I am happy, can't wait. You feel me? I did not want the box to fall, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing. Hopefully I wasn't running my mouth. Feel me? I did my best. I did my best to, you know, try to do the unboxing and show you guys. But yeah, guys, I'm happy, I'm excited. Yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and the support for your boy. Feel me? Yeah, appreciate the love and support. Got the Denso sign right there. Yeah, brand new, genuine Toyota, Lexus Toyota. Genuine, clean, fresh, looking good. Well, peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless. I appreciate the love and support. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I am happy and I can't wait to get it installed, guys. For real.
You grind me,